Get excited about the 2016 Nissan Frontier. This four-door, four-passenger truck is ready to drive off the showroom floor. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Nissan infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and cruise control. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.